This 2014 Fleetwood Southwind 34A is a Class A RV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2014 Fleetwood Southwind 34A is built on a Ford 362 horsepower chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.